The Maywood Totepack is one of our most popular bags. What makes this bag really cool is that it transforms from a tote bag to a backpack just by pulling the leather straps. Let's take a look at what's inside the Maywood Totepack Maker Kit. Hardware, leather, zipper, and the card that has the pattern and resources download link. Then we have all your fabric cut, marked, and ready to sew. 2 pieces 12-ounce canvas for lining with the interior pocket placement marks, exterior fabric, reinforcement fabric, interior pocket, another exterior fabric piece, and an exterior pocket. Our wax canvas comes in a bunch of different colors so you can choose your fabric combo. Here we have the leather. For this project, we used leather for the backpack straps, handle reinforcement tabs, and zipper pulls. This leather has been strapped and hole punched by hand here in our studio, and it's available in multiple colors as well: tan, black, and brown. And our different hardware colors, black and brass. Finally, we have the hardware. That includes a 14-inch brass zipper, 2 brass 3/4-inch buckles to adjust the backpack straps, all the rivets you need to attach the leather to the bag, including 2 extra, just in case you need them, the O-ring tabs, leather reinforcement tabs, and 4 3/4-inch O-rings. Then we have the magnetic snap rivet for the exterior pocket closure. Finally, we have the reinforcement leather tabs for the backpack straps and also the leather zipper pull with a nice little rivet. So there you have it. You'll be sewing like a boss and showing off your new handcrafted bag in no time. You can find these products and lots of others at clumhouse.com.